Manufacturing is expressed in a variety of industries, so it offers you a vast opportunity at jobs and careers.
Manufacturing and avionics is a great career to get into because avionics is the future of traveling. So there's always going to be something to build and something to work on.
So I think somebody considering coming here right out of high school is for somebody who doesn't necessarily know what their path is yet, but that this company can help them define that path and help them on that path to go to school or stay in engineering, go to ops. There's so many different avenues here.
I feel that manufacturing is a viable career path because you have an opportunity to learn so many things technology-wise. You learn some disciplines. You learn how to read the workmanship standards. You learn how to work in a team environment. You learn that what you do is very important to the next step. Whatever we do here, it contributes to the overall success of the company.
Ultimately, once you get in the door, manufacturing offers you plenty of avenues and opportunities to further your career and enhance developments and things like that in your life.